We've loved having Epic here. It's been a really refreshing change to previous social responsibility training that we've done. It's been really interesting to hear the lived experience element of the training, which has given our wide range of staff a really new insight into how customers feel and what might be going through their mind. They've also given us a really new, refreshing ideas in terms of thinking about the way that we interact with customers that may be at risk of harm. It's been great to hear how we could link their behaviour to what normally happens or conversations about risk, and it's been thoroughly engaging, and the feedback from our staff has been really positive. We have a vast array of staff that work in many different departments here, so they might not have the direct experience of gaming. So to hear it from people that have both managed in a casino and been through the player's journey as part of a casino has been very educational, not just for people that work in a gaming-specific environment, but also for people that might work in departments not directly linked to the gambling activities that we have here. We're really looking forward to having them here. We've enjoyed working on the pilot, and we've seen various iterations of the training. So we're looking now at presenting it to stakeholders within the industry, welcoming them, talking about the training that we've done, and just telling everybody about the fantastic benefits of it.